Good evening, everybody. This is Simran. Welcome to my YouTube channel GeoGoal. In previous video, we have discussed geocentric and heliocentric concept of the universe, Big Bang theory. In this video, we will discuss CERN. This is European Organization for Nuclear Research. CERN is located or situated in northwest suburbs of Geneva, Switzerland, and established in 1954. And guys, CERN is home to half of the world's particle physicists and the biggest particle hunting machine. CERN, European Organization for Nuclear Research, operates Large Hadron Collider, which is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator, and Higgs boson. We have heard Higgs boson. Higgs boson is a historical mega experiment, and CERN successfully conducted in a 100 feet deep and 27-kilometer long tunnel at Large Hadron Collider (LHC), Large Hadron Collider in Geneva, and it is conducted by CERN, a European Organization for Nuclear Research, on 30th March 2010. And in this experiment, proton beam having the same velocity as of light collided to produce Higgs boson, and this mega experiment is expected to unravel the unsolved mysteries related to the origin of the universe, which is so far as dark matter, dark energy, extra dimension, Higgs boson, and God particle. Through this mega experiment, the scientists tried to imitate the phenomena which occurred 15 billion years ago, known as Big Bang in the field of astronomy. It is now considered as Higgs boson, also known as God particle, in which mystery of the universe resides, because it is also constructed, or it is also considered to be the most basic unit, providing mass to the particle, uh, or we can say Higgs boson trying to create the condition that happened just in the few millionth of a second after the Big Bang, to see what particle existed when the energy density of the universe was really very high, or at the moment of collision the energy is converted into mass in the form of thousands of particles. Although most will be ones we already know about, the hope is that undiscovered particle might also be created that could help explain some of the mysteries of how the universe formed. So today we have discussed the CERN, or this is European Organization for Nuclear Research, and who conducted Higgs boson experiment in a Large Hadron Collider on 30th March 2010. Or one term I would like to discuss here, JWST. JWST stands for James Webb Space Telescope. It is a space telescope developed in collaboration between the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA), European Space Agency (ESA), and Canadian Space Agency (CSA). So guys, this is for today video, CERN, we discuss CERN. In next video we will discuss solar system. So till then, bye bye, take care, God bless you.